welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making some, hopefully, they're supposed to be really simple, some very simple toffee bars from scratch. And I just stumbled upon this recipe on Pinterest. I saw them being made, and I was like, that doesn't look too hard. I think we can do that. So let's find out. Let's get started.
Not too many ingredients today. We need 1 package or 100 grams of graham crackers or butter cookies, 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 1 cup or 200 grams of brown sugar, 1 cup or 150 grams of chopped nuts, I'm using almonds today, and 200 grams of your favorite chocolate. Starting with a greased casserole dish, place a layer of graham crackers or butter cookies along the bottom. Then, in a saucepan over high heat, melt the butter completely. Add the brown sugar and nuts, bring to a boil, and allow to boil for 5 minutes, stirring frequently. Pour sugar mixture over the graham cracker base and spread around evenly. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes. Remove from heat and allow to cool about 10 minutes. Spread melted chocolate over the top, allow to cool completely. Chill in the fridge if the cooling process is taking longer than you would like. Cut into bars. Look at those layers. These toffee bars are gorgeous and absolutely delicious. They are more similar to candy than cookies, however. They are quite sweet and taste like the bar cookie version of a praline. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.